Hello, and welcome to my channel, where success meets strategy. In today's video, I'm going to share with you the ultimate guide to tripling your income with 9 straightforward and actionable steps. That's right, by the end of this video, you'll have the tools and knowledge needed to skyrocket your earnings like never before. Step 1. Set clear financial goals. It's essential to have a concrete vision of where you want to be financially. By setting specific, achievable goals, you can create a roadmap for success and stay focused on your objectives. Step 2. Diversify your income streams. Don't rely on one source of income. Explore different revenue streams, such as investments, side hustles, or passive income opportunities, to maximize your earning potential. Step 3. Invest in yourself. Continuous learning and self-improvement are key to increasing your income. Invest in courses, workshops, or mentorship programs that will expand your knowledge and skills to open up new opportunities for growth. If you are new to the channel, then click on subscribe button and hit the notification bell for regular updates. Step 4. Network strategically. Building a strong professional network can open doors to lucrative opportunities. Attend industry events, connect with like-minded individuals, and leverage your network to advance your career and increase your income. Step 5. Negotiate like a pro. Don't settle for less than you deserve. Learn to negotiate effectively for better pay, benefits, or contract terms. Mastering the art of negotiation can significantly impact your income and financial stability. Step 6. Track your finances. It's crucial to monitor your income, expenses, and investments regularly. By staying organized and informed about your financial status, you can make informed decisions to optimize your earnings and savings. Step 7. Embrace a growth mindset. Believe in your ability to succeed and grow financially. A positive mindset and a willingness to take calculated risks can lead to breakthroughs in your income potential and overall financial well-being. Step 8. Seek mentorship. Surround yourself with mentors and advisors who have achieved the level of success you aspire to. Learn from their experiences, seek guidance, and leverage their expertise to accelerate your income growth. Step 9. Take action now. The key to tripling your income lies in taking consistent and focused action. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Start implementing these steps today and watch your income soar to new heights. Thank you for watching today's video on how to triple your income with these 9 easy steps. Remember, the journey to financial success begins with a single step. Stay focused, stay determined, and watch your income potential expand beyond your wildest dreams. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable tips and strategies to achieve your financial goals. Until next time, keep striving for success.